In this video, I'll show you how to silence unknown callers on WhatsApp. Anyone who has your phone number can call you on WhatsApp. An unknown caller might be someone who haven't contacted before or saved as a contact. You can block a phone number or silence calls from unknown callers by changing your privacy settings. Silencing calls from unknown callers means you can focus on conversation that matters you, preserving your privacy and preventing unwanted contacts. To silence unknown callers, open the WhatsApp app, tap on the three dot and go to settings. Here in settings, go to privacy. Here tap on calls and turn this option on. Silence unknown callers. You can see silenced call from unknown callers in the calls tab and your notifications, but your phone won't ring. Friends, that was our today's video. By this way you can silence any unknown callers from WhatsApp. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. Subscribe to the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.